Did you know that cloves, those tiny spice powerhouses, contain a compound called eugenol that not only adds flavor but also boasts surprising medicinal properties? But hold on, before you sprinkle them liberally, let's uncover some lesser-known truths about these aromatic buds. Despite their allure, cloves come with their own set of caveats, reminding us that even nature's remedies warrant a closer look. Cloves are an amazing natural remedy with tons of health benefits. However, many people aren't sure about the best way to use cloves to improve their health. Just taking 3 cloves can provide your body with all the goodness it needs, assuming that they are consumed as stated in this video. If you're into cloves, hit the like button to let us know you're interested in more videos like this. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Welcome back! Let's dive into what happens in your body when you take cloves. If you want to stay healthy and avoid chronic diseases, cloves are a great choice. We all know the smell of cloves from the dentist's office, where they're used to ease tooth pain by placing 1 or 2 cloves on the sore tooth. We recommend using cloves for tooth pain until you can see a dentist. But there's more to cloves than just toothache relief. Did you know that powerful substance called eugenol is responsible for many of cloves' benefits? It's a potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal agent. Plus, it's one of the strongest natural antioxidants out there. Cloves pack a powerful punch when it comes to improving your health. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of cloves, what diseases they can help treat, and the right ways to take them. There are various methods to take cloves depending on the purpose and the benefits you're seeking. We'll also share a fantastic cloves recipe that's suitable for everyone, whether you're sick or healthy. Firstly, let's talk about how cloves can be a powerful treatment for acne problems. They act as potent antibiotics, antimicrobials, antivirals, and antifungals, all of which can help treat acne. Simply boil 3 clove sticks in water for about 5 minutes. Strain the water and apply it to your face or affected areas. Secondly, cloves can be a wonderful remedy for stomach ulcers, a condition many people suffer from. Cloves have traditionally been used to aid digestion. They can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which may promote better digestion and alleviate symptoms of indigestion often associated with stomach ulcers. To incorporate cloves into your diet for stomach ulcer relief, you can: A. Use clove oil. Adding a few drops of clove essential oil to warm water and consuming it as a tea may help soothe stomach ulcers. B. Include whole cloves in cooking. Adding whole cloves to soups, stews, and teas can infuse your dishes with their flavor and therapeutic properties. C. Chew on cloves. Chewing on whole cloves or mixing powdered cloves with honey can offer relief from ulcer symptoms. Cloves are also effective against candida and worms in the digestive system. Boil 3 cloves in 100 milliliters of water. Then take a teaspoon of this drink in the morning and evening. After a few days, you should start feeling better. Third, cloves can help reduce stress. Elevated levels of stress can result in a range of health issues attributed to increased cortisol levels, which is the hormone associated with stress. This can deplete essential minerals like potassium from the body, which is especially harmful to heart health. To relieve stress, steep 3 clove sticks in a cup of green tea and drink it, benefiting from its numerous health properties. So, whether you're dealing with acne, stomach ulcers, or stress, cloves might just be the natural remedy you need to feel better. Fourth, enhancing testosterone. Recent studies indicate that cloves can boost testosterone levels, the male hormone, by improving sperm quality, increasing blood flow, and promoting a sense of energy and vitality in men. Moreover, testosterone enhancement can address issues like hair loss, acne, facial problems, prostate conditions, and male infertility. A recommended method to use cloves for boosting testosterone is to grind 2 clove sticks and add them to a cup of milk, which enhances the probiotics present in milk and offers a sweet taste. Fifth, strengthening the immune system. Cloves are packed with essential minerals and vitamins. Manganese, which is vital for overall health, is represented by 30% of the recommended daily intake in 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. Additionally, it provides magnesium, calcium, vitamin E, fiber, and 4% of the recommended daily intake for vitamin K and 3% for vitamin C. Cloves also contain fat-soluble antioxidants like eugenol and flavonoids, which protect cell membranes from free radicals, delay aging, and boost energy. They significantly contribute to strengthening the immune system and reducing the risk of infections. To benefit, simply add 3 sticks of cloves to a cup of green tea. Sixth, regulating blood sugar. Cloves contain manganese, which plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels and insulin control in the body. By aiding in insulin sensitivity and promoting efficient glucose utilization, manganese helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of insulin resistance or diabetes. Seventh, promoting respiratory health. One of the most notable attributes of cloves is their ability to prevent upper respiratory infections. Cloves possess antimicrobial properties due to their high concentration of eugenol, a natural compound with strong antibacterial and antiviral effects. By inhibiting the growth of harmful pathogens, cloves help shield the respiratory tract from infections caused by bacteria and viruses. So you see, incorporating cloves into your diet or daily routine can provide numerous health benefits, ranging from hormone regulation to immune system support and respiratory health promotion. Let's continue to explore the benefits of cloves. 8. Estrogen modulation. Some studies suggest that clove may have estrogenic properties, meaning it can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Estrogen is a hormone that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including reproduction and bone health. Clove may help balance estrogen levels in the body, which can be beneficial for women experiencing hormonal imbalances related to menopause or menstrual irregularities. 9th, weight loss and liver function. In terms of weight loss, cloves have been found to enhance liver enzyme levels. Liver enzymes are crucial for various metabolic processes, including the breakdown of fats and toxins. By improving liver enzyme levels, cloves aid in the efficient functioning of the liver, promoting its overall health and vitality. 10th, bone health. Rich in manganese. In the process of bone formation, manganese acts as a cofactor for various enzymes involved in the synthesis of connective tissue in cartilage and bone. By facilitating these enzymatic reactions, manganese helps to ensure the structural integrity and strength of bones. Moreover, cloves possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is characterized by chronic inflammation in the joints, which can lead to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. 11th, anti-cancer properties. Active substances in cloves have been found to inhibit cancer cell growth in the colon and breast. A healthy drink recipe with cloves involves boiling 3 sticks of cloves in 200 milliliters of water, adding manuka honey for additional benefits, and consuming it in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening before bed. It can provide noticeable improvements in energy levels and overall well-being. Now, let's explore some of the downsides of consuming cloves. When it comes to what we eat or drink, there's no universal rule that applies to everyone. Certain individuals may experience adverse effects. A word of caution. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before consuming cloves, as it may have adverse effects on the fetus. Additionally, cloves are not recommended for children under 14 years old due to potential side effects. People with bleeding disorders should also avoid cloves, as the chemical eugenol present in cloves can increase bleeding tendencies. People with diabetes should closely monitor their blood sugar levels if they consume cloves or clove supplements, since cloves may lower blood sugar levels. This precaution is important to ensure that their blood sugar remains within a safe range and to avoid any potential complications associated with low blood sugar levels. If you have gastrointestinal disorders such as ulcers, gastritis, or acid reflux, be cautious with cloves. They can irritate your gastrointestinal tract and make your condition worse. It's best to limit your intake of cloves if you have these issues. Liver disease. Cloves contain substances that could potentially strain the liver. People with liver disease or liver damage should seek advice from a healthcare professional before incorporating cloves into their routine. It's important to note that cloves are also deemed unsafe for individuals undergoing surgical procedures, both during and after surgery. It's advised to discontinue cloves intake at least 2 weeks before the scheduled surgery date. Dear viewers, that wraps up our discussion for today. If you found the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our new videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.